Hello guys, I'm Ronald. I'm traveling through Thailand 6 to 9 months. Hi guys, I hope you're doing okay, especially during this pandemic. This is my last day, finally my last PCR test. I had 3 already, so it was very difficult. And I have 10 great tips for you. I wrote them down for you if you come to Bangkok. So this is the swimming pool, nobody's here. So you have to wear your mask also outside and inside the hotel. But now I'm outside the hotel and on the top floor. So there's nobody there, so now it's okay. But later I have to go to the nurse. And when you go to the nurse, you have to put your mask on always. So you go outside on the street, you have to put your mask on. But now I'm upstairs at the hotel, so now it's okay. So here's the very nice, the water lilies. Very nice. It's a very nice hotel in Bangkok. So guys, I wrote 10 tips how to survive quarantine in Bangkok. So let's start with tip 1. So when you're planning to come to Thailand, make sure that you have all the right documents and put them in a folder map. I've seen, I was through customs, yeah, and there were 6 service people from the immigration dienst at a couple, with a couple. They didn't have the right documents. So, and after 2 hours I look back and the couple were still talking to those service people. So make sure you buy a folder map like this one. When you have a folder map, yeah, you can put all your documents inside. Your PCR test, your entree, your health, your medical, everything you can put inside what you need. So buy a folder map. It's very very convenient. Okay. When you decide to come to Bangkok or you come to the Sandbox program, yeah, you can bargain. You can bargain with the hotels. So, for example, you have five hotels you like, yeah. So write those 5 hotels an email and ask them, yeah, if they have a very good deal. You're planning to come to Thailand, you're planning to come to the hotel, yeah, but there's so much hotel you have to choose from. ASQ, those are registered hotels from the government, so you have to choose one of those. Yeah, so there are many hotels, so you can bargain with them. Yeah, just make a list of 5 hotels you like. Send them a mail from, do you have a package deal, a good package deal for me? Because I wrote 5 of them and I got 5 better deals than if you didn't write them an email. So I got $200 discount, yeah. But on top of that, I had also a room upgrade, approximately to $300 also. So I had $500 totally as a discount. So it's worthwhile. Write those hotels where you want to go. When you go to Bangkok, yeah, you have to stay. You have to know. You have to be enclosed all those 14 days in your room. Yeah. While the Sandbox is you go to Phuket for 1 week, and then after Phuket you can go to Koh Tao, Koh Samui, Koh Phangan, Koh Phi Phi, or other islands. Yeah. And also the thing is, you can go outside you can go outside your room. You can walk outside. In Bangkok, you can't go outside your room. You don't have fresh air. You have nothing. So, cross my words. Mark my words. Better take the sandbox. Yeah. And then after a while, you can go, after the 2 weeks, you can go from Phuket to 2 hours flight to Bangkok if you want to go to Bangkok. So take the sandbox program. Entertain yourself, yeah, I recommend to install a Storytel app on your mobile, tablet, or a laptop. Yeah, make sure that you have Spotify, Apple Music, and don't forget to bring your box with you, because when you have your box, it's nicer when you have music in your room. Okay, and if you have a PlayStation 4 or Xbox, yeah, take it with you. Yeah, take it with you, because the thing is, yeah, if you don't have your PlayStation, I brought my PlayStation with me. You can see, yeah, it's great, yeah, because then you can play games, you can play, you can watch films, yeah, you can do anything, yeah, and that's very nice. Remember, you can only watch Netflix, or you can watch Prime Video. You can't watch Disney. Disney is, they don't have the service here, so Disney channel you can't watch this channel. Okay, don't forget also with your PlayStation 4, yeah, your power cables. Your power cables, also your HDMI cable, your power cable for the PlayStation and also for the joypad. Yeah, and also don't forget, yeah, to bring a LAN cable. When you're going to internet on your PlayStation, you have to get. Don't forget your LAN cable. That's also very important. And the thing is, after you play with your PlayStation and you have to go, yeah, you can storage your PlayStation 4 at the hotel, and when you come back to you go back to your country, you can pick it up. So that's no problem. The fifth one is take a fitness elastic with you. I have here a fitness elastic, yeah, and especially for your legs, you can fitness, yeah, and yeah, do a lot of exams. So make sure that you have your fitness with you. What also help, yeah, is walk, yeah, in your hallway. Yeah, this is only for BKK. If you want to go to BKK, yeah, and you confine yourself in the hotel room, go outside and walk in your hallway. Yeah, or you can go upstairs. Yeah, so then you can walk a little bit. Yeah. So that's also a very nice tip. Try to get a room, yeah, with a view at the city, yeah, and try to get a room, yeah, with a balcony, because the thing is, yeah, you don't have any fresh air. You're in the hotel room. You don't have fresh air. You only have your your airco, but that's it. You don't have fresh air. It's very yeah, it's not so very nice. Don't forget to bring your world plug. Here you have your world plug. Here you have your world plug. You put it in, but here you have like electricity, and where you can put four. Here you can put 4 devices on, so you can charge them right away. So don't forget that with you. The splitter with the devices, you go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can charge your devices simultaneously. What also useful is bring business cards with you. If you have the business card, yeah, you can, with your, I have here my business card on RoOnTheGo, bring it with you, but because you can give it away. Yeah, you have people who want to contact you, then if you have the business card, it's easier to give it away. The thing is, bring candy with you, guys. Bring candy with you. I have here all the candy, because the thing is, you can't go outside. You can't do nothing, so bring your candy with you, and that's it for today. So now it's 35 degrees, it's almost 8 o'clock. Now I have to go for my last final PCR exam, so I have to go to the nurse. So I wear my mask right now, but this is very nice. It's a very nice hotel midden in Bangkok. Okay, nice. Thank you, guys. Did you like the film? Just subscribe. I'm staying in Thailand between the 6 or 9 months, so you can see a lot of nice films of me. So please subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button, so you keep you posted about all the new movies I will make, all new films I will make. So now I have to go to the to the to the nurse for my final PCR test. Okay, guys, thank you very much, and be safe. Bye bye.